Okay, we are at the Intercontinental Cairo, what is that, Stars? And this is our already lived in room. So to start, we have a powder room, which I love, and a separate living room, and a kitchenette, which is super handy to have and pretty rare. Very comfortable bed, I can attest to that. Nice big king size bed. Lots and lots of windows. A few snacks for an extra cost. You can't see it right now, but outside where that pyramid is, there's a big, I guess you can see the swimming pool. There it is. Yeah, there's a big swimming pool out there. And a dressing area over here. And the main bathroom. Nice shower. Amenity kits. Pretty standard. I have to say, for our hotels in Egypt, this has been by far the nicest, kind of the most North American, if you will. And we have enjoyed our very, very short stay here. So highly recommend this one.